and welcome. Now, to organize the content that you're going to be putting together for your project as you go, several chatbots offer you places to keep information while it is a work in progress. For example, Perplexity AI has what are called spaces. By the time you see this video, this new element may no longer exist. We can close out of that element. We can click this element that says spaces. We can then click this button that says create a space. We can give our space a name. Optionally, we can give our space a description, but we're the only ones that will see this space, so we don't have to really give it a description unless we want. Now, Perplexity is a search and AI chatbot. And so depending on whether you have a free or paid version, you can choose the model that you're going to be using inside of the space as an AI. So we're going to click this drop down menu and we're going to choose one of the models. You'll see GPT-4o, you'll see Claude 3 Opus, and Sonar Huge. Now, by the time you see this video, these models may be different if you are going to be using Perplexity. You can also use the Perplexity model. And again, much of this is going to depend on whether you have the free or paid version of Perplexity. Now, what you can also do is you can give your space a name. And basically, what this does is it creates context for everything that you're going to be working in inside of the space or the project. This is a way of narrowing down the AI in assisting you and focusing the information that you generate. Once you have your custom instructions, you can then click continue. And what you will then have is you'll then have a space in which you can work to create your elements. Now, to upload files to Perplexity, you will need to have the Pay or Pro version. However, you can still use spaces if you don't upload files. And so you can query this chatbot the way you would any other element. And what you'll notice is that when you generate this element and you go back to the space that you created, your information will all be in one area to keep it organized. So this is a way to work with this specific chatbot to keep all of your prompts and answers in one place. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.